game. It's a rich thing. It's not a game. It's a rich thing.
Alright everyone, so I hope y'all enjoyed that first part of the video, basically walking y'all through all of the features of these earbuds and giving y'all a quick unboxing, right? Now in this portion of the video, I'm going to go ahead and run through my first impressions with the Samsung Galaxy Buds FE, alright? So all I've done, aside from shooting that first part of the video, was unbox them, put them back into the charging case, and then charge everything up to 100, and then put them back in the box and give y'all that unboxing experience there. So now we're gonna get into my genuine first impressions with the earbuds, right? So I gotta tell y'all, when I took these out of the charging case for the first portion of the video, this gave me Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus vibes so bad. I got super excited, and I could see where they made their modifications and gave it the newer design here, because now you got that indentation. Now I kind of wish I didn't give away my Galaxy Buds Plus so we could do a quick comparison in this video, but sadly I did. All three pairs of my Galaxy Buds Plus I gave away. Alright, But I can tell y'all I'm already feeling these. The wingtips, oh man, the wingtips are bringing back such good memories. Oh, all right, so let's go ahead and try them on, and let me give y'all my first impressions of the overall fit and feel of the earbuds in my ears and on my head. So let's do this. Right earbud first. Okay, put this in. Oh, like a glove. Oh man. Cue that Donnie Darko song. Hello darkness, my old friend. Oh yes, it fits like a glove. Maybe that's not the right song to be singing in this video. It is what it is. Alright, let's drop in the left. I got a really dark sense of humor if you guys and gals didn't know. But let's drop the left in. Oh yeah. Like a glove. And the passive noise cancellation just from putting the earbuds in my ears is top notch. Now, I have the fans going, and as soon as I put the earbuds in my ears, the fan noise dropped by like 30%, and I could like barely hear myself talk. But the overall fit on these is almost perfect, right? And I'm not even sure what size ear tips come on them out of the box. I didn't even take the ear tips that came in the packaging out. I think this is going to be a perfect fit, and if not, I might as well just go ahead and drop on my custom tips. But let me do a quick shake test here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Not moving at all. This is going to be amazing in the gym. So absolutely no movement. Let me take them out. Absolutely perfect fit. All right. Awesome. And I would equate the perfect fit to the wingtips, man. These wingtips that go just inside your ear canal, and just like when you spin it, it locks into place and it just rests right inside your ear canal. These wingtips are damn near perfect. The only other thing that beats these wingtips is having the wings that go over the outside of your ears. That's the only other thing in my experience that has given me a perfect fit. Like the J-Labs earbuds that I used to do videos on, or that I did do videos on. Those are the only other style of earbuds that have given me a perfect fit. All right, I feel as though I'm gonna absolutely love these. So first impressions of the overall fit and feel of the Samsung Galaxy Buds FE. I feel as though it's gonna be top notch, but I'm gonna reserve all judgment until the full review and until I do my other coverage on these earbuds. But that pretty much does it. Oh wait. You know what I forgot to do? I forgot to give y'all the profiles. Let me drop these back in. My bad. I'm so excited. Let me drop these back in. I forgot to take the selfies for y'all so y'all can see what they look like. Man, y'all can hear how excited I am? Okay, what we're gonna use today? Let's use the Pixel 6a today to record these selfies here. So let's unlock this. Let's fire up the cameras. Spin it around. Do a front profile here. Boom. Do a side profile here. Boom. Do the other side. Boom. Let me see how these look. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Boom. Okay, let me show y'all this. So here's the front. And look at that. You can barely tell that I have them in my ears. I gotta zoom in, and then you can kind of see it sticking out the side. But if I zoom out, you can barely tell that they're in there. You can kind of notice them. And then if we swipe over, here's one side. Look at that. Perfect fit. Look at that. It goes in my ears perfectly. Look at that. Alright. And then here is the other side. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Again, perfect fit. Look at that. Whew. Also, check out the fresh cut. Check out the fresh cut. Look at the fresh cut. Yeah. Alright. Alright, so there you guys and gals see it. You can see the profiles. You can see that basically I have a perfect fit with these earbuds, right? And this is why the Galaxy Buds Plus were my all-time favorite earbuds, because they too gave me this perfect fit. So I can tell y'all right now, I'm probably gonna love these. The only thing that I'm probably gonna hate about these earbuds is the battery life. Ugh, Samsung, what are y'all doing, man? Y'all couldn't just come out with the same battery life as the Buds Plus with the more modern design? Why, Samsung? Why? Alright? But that, guys and gals, does it for this unboxing and first impressions. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this video. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did, you know what to do. Please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you would like to see more content like this, also feel free to hit that subscribe button down below, and make sure you click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. If this video piques your interest, all the affiliated buy links as to where y'all can pick up these earbuds for some really great prices will be available down below in the video description. And as the name implies, when you use the affiliate buy links, I do get a small percentage of kickback that I do put back into the channel, and that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So the affiliate buy links down below in the video description is like a win-win for everyone, in my opinion. Okay? The whole video here today was recorded with the primary cameras on the Samsung Galaxy S10e in 1080p with no external microphone hooked up, and I am using my professional studio lights to light up the scene here today. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality, as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below in the comments. Remember to keep your comments respectful, please. Alright? We're going to dive into testing these earbuds now, so you guys and gals look out for the continued coverage, and everything is going to culminate with my opinions and a full dedicated review. Alright? So, I hope everyone is staying safe out there. I hope everyone is having a good day, and I will catch you guys and gals on the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We're out of here. Peace. Alright, let's get to testing, man. I'm super excited about this. The only bummer that I have about these is I know that battery life is not going to be up to par. But it is what it is. Let's go.